best wardrobe suppliers, exporters, wholesalers, and distributors in Kolkata, all India delivery manufacturing services. We offer our customers requirements for branded different types of materials, fully customized wardrobe manufacturers, and suppliers. From site measurement, 3D wardrobe design, wardrobe color combination as per customer's choice, all the wardrobe services required to make the wardrobe A to Z, you will get all the benefits of wardrobe making from us. As per your choice, you can get wardrobes made to your bedroom size at a very low cost from our wardrobe manufacturers. Any design wardrobes you can get from our designers and manufacturers at a low cost. Instantly WhatsApp your bedroom wall photo and know your wardrobe design and best rate. The best design options available to help you create a beautiful and functional bedroom wardrobe. Here are the top 3D wardrobes designing services and low price interior decoration furniture you might find useful.